When I first started hiring, I couldn't believe that something seemingly so simple, like wiping down countertops and making beds, was so hard for people to do well. I knew if I wanted my company to grow and make serious money, that I had to figure out how to get the people I hired to deliver house cleaning services like no one had ever experienced before. Glisten is an online program that works for any cleaner at any level because it's completely customizable and can be learned anywhere, anytime. Today's staff expect fun and easy ways to learn and want to manage their own learning and development. I've employed more than 100 cleaners for more than 10 years now, and I know exactly what works and also what doesn't. This course is designed to teach, inspire, and educate. The Glisten cleaning method to use at every home, a foolproof system for beginners and advanced cleaners to follow. How to develop deep and meaningful client relationships and be a stellar ambassador for your business. How to build a team that is delivering consistent, high-quality services to all of your clients. This course is for the modern, professional cleaning business looking to bring a new level of service to your customer. It speaks directly to the new generation of house cleaners with video and audio guidance, plenty of educational materials, including training schedules, downloads, and a forum for ongoing support. Everything, but seriously, I've covered it all. How to clean efficiently and perfectly, how to evaluate their work and the work of other cleaners, how to impress clients, how to prioritize their time, the psychology of cleaning and why it's so important, building relationships with clients, how to handle issues, how to ask for and graciously accept feedback, how to keep motivated, and much, much more. My system works because not only do I have incredibly high standards when it comes to what a clean house looks and feels like, I also researched how adults learn and have consulted regularly with an expert in adult education. On top of that, my system works not only for older people, but also fits perfectly with the younger millennial generation, their style of learning, and their lifestyles. I also developed easy-to-remember methods so employees instantly understand the concepts and can actually remember them. This system is modular and mix and match, so you don't have to buy the entire thing if you don't need it all. You can customize the program to work for you and your company at whatever stage you're at and whatever you need help with. I will also have payment plans available to help make it easy for you to invest in your company. The instant you buy the program, you will get access to all the training videos, audios, and materials you need to give your employees, new or experienced. I've even created different training schedules based on the stage your employee is in. I've designed everything with you in mind because I personally know how to turn anyone into a professional house cleaner, and I'm going to help you do it too. Glisten is the only complete training program for professional house cleaners. If you want to be the very best cleaning service in your city, you need to have the best staff who consistently perform a perfect cleaning for each client every single day. My program will help you and your staff get there.